Let's say we have a key service we want to monitor the response times for, but we only care if it's slow in production, not in the dev or staging environments. So Loggly's source groups functionality allows you to create separation of the data into meaningful categories, such as dev environment, prod environment, staging, so that when I do a search just on my dev's environment, I only get data from that environment and not the others. I can also create source groups for each of my clients or separate products or different components like web servers or databases. To set these source groups up, just go to the Manage Source Groups section and click Add New. And you have the ability to set these up by syslog host, syslog application, HTTP client host, or you can utilize tags. And these tags can be set as common delimited text within your config file, or you can utilize Loggly's derived fields feature that's going to allow you to create tags from any text that comes in from your log events. In addition to segregating data so as to only see what you're looking for, you also have the ability to set up restricted user access to keep non-admin users from seeing data they shouldn't have access to. Just go to the account page and then select users from the top navigation. And then since I'm an admin, I'll be able to edit individual user accounts. So I'll select Brett here. And just as I created that dev environment source group, now I can select that as being the restricted source group for this user. So in that way, keeping data that is private or just making things organized for my users. So that's a brief overview of Loggly's source groups functionality. Head on over to loggly.com/trial to start your free trial today.